Welcome to LearnTech Mentors. This is more than just a channel. This is an invitation to transform the way you learn technology in a world where code shapes everything, from the apps in your pocket to the systems that move entire industries. Learning how to program is no longer optional, it's essential, and the way you learn makes all the difference. At LearnTech Mentors, we believe that true mastery goes far beyond syntax, frameworks, or tools. We are here to guide you through your coding journey one byte at a time with clarity, purpose, and real-world perspective. Whether you are taking your very first steps into programming or you are an experienced developer looking to level up, this channel was created for you. Our mentors are not beginners. They are professionals with over 20 years of experience in the technology industry. People who have built systems, solved real problems, faced production failures, led teams, and learned what truly matters beyond the code editor. Here, you won't just learn how to write code. You will learn why things are done the way they are. We will dive deep into the technologies that power the modern world. Java, the backbone of enterprise systems and large-scale platforms. Python, the language of automation, data, AI, and rapid innovation. JavaScript, the engine of the web and modern user experiences. But we won't stop there. At LearnTech Mentors, we share what most courses never teach. How the industry really works, how to think like a senior engineer, how to design solutions, not just features, how to grow your career strategically, how to avoid common traps, and how to accelerate your learning curve. This is a place where theory meets practice, where fundamentals meet real-world experience, where learning is structured, honest, and purposeful. We believe mentorship is the missing link for many developers.
And that's exactly what we bring here. Guidance, clarity, and direction from those who have already walked the path you're about to take. This channel is about building skills, but also building mindset, confidence, discipline, and a deep understanding of technology as a craft. If you are ready to stop feeling lost, if you want to learn from those who truly know the industry, if you want more than tutorials, you want wisdom, then you're in the right place. Follow the mentors, learn with intention, build with confidence, and over time become a true master of technology. Subscribe to LearnTech Mentors and join us on this journey. The future is built by those who are ready to learn and lead. Welcome to the adventure.